Hi YouTubers! Today I wanted to show you some of my art because I love to paint and I wanted to share with you some of my paintings that I've done. Um, so I will show you the first one. This one I love because it reminds you of a summer day at the beach. And this one is a waterfall behind me. And another small one. Nice little mountains in the background. Then we have some bigger mountains over on the wall over here. And I'm going to show those to you. So they are right up there. That's my mountain picture that I painted. And there's my other ocean picture with the nice sunset going on. And then over here we have what I like to call my forest, because it reminds me of the redwood forest, and then I added some water in there because I just like water. So alright, hope you enjoyed my video, and hope you enjoy painting just as much as I do. Alright, bye.